Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Plamo Builds, because the last time I did one of these and called it Gunpla Builds, y'all had a frickin' hissy fit. So, Plamo Builds it is for these things. As you can see, this is going to be my unboxing for the Bandai Star Wars 1/12 scale Kylo Ren. This is a version of him from the latest movie, The Rise of Skywalker. There is the top of the box. Here is the front of the box. Fairly nice images, I have to say. And for those of you who are wondering, yes, these do actually scale with the Black Series. These are 6 inches once you have them fully built. So there's that part of the box, and now let's get to the runners. So the first part, this is the cloth cape part. This is the sticker for his helmet. It also comes with a water slide decal that you can use. Here is the polycap runner. Here is the A runner. There's plenty of different parts on it. Here is the B runner. Here is the E runner. Here's the F runner, which is a softer, rubberier type of plastic. And then this one is just labeled SWB3, which of course is the little stand for him. Now, let's go to the manual. So here we are, looking at the manual. This is a very straightforward manual, I guess. We do the arms to the legs. This is just one side of the manual. Shows you how to put the cape on. All that good stuff. Over. I think this is going to be a very fun kit to put together, and will definitely look nice next to my Black Series figures. So, that's it for my unboxing of the Bandai 1/12 scale Kylo Ren from Star Wars The Rise of Skywalker. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.